Shikhayaha Madhye, so very tiny Jyoti is there, and in the Shikha, in the tip of that fire, in the middle of the tip of the fire, Tasya Shikhayaha Madhye, in that Jyoti, Paramatma Vyavastha. Now you can imagine Paramatma's size. And contrary to that, Jiva is so small and he can be only at one place, right? If that Jiva is here, how does he know what is happening here? So, when a small Jiva can pervade everywhere in the body, when an individual Jiva can pervade everywhere in the body, why not Paramatma pervade everywhere in all 14 worlds? So now we believe that Paramatma is all pervader. Vishnu, Vrushaparva. And to reach Paramatma, there are certain steps. Parva means step. What are those steps? Dharma. Vrushaparva. Vrusha means dharma. Parvaha, steps. He has some steps to reach him. What are those steps? Dharma. Means if you simply follow dharma, you can attain Paramatma. Nothing else. Do your dharma. Ramo Vigrahavan Dharmaha. Maricha says, Maricha tells this to Ramana. See, if you see Ramayana, all Rama's enemies praised him. Surpanaga praised him. There are two brothers, Chira Krishnajinambaru. They have with Krishnajinam, Chira, Ajinam, like Yetis, but they are so young and they are very handsome. And Maricha praises them. Vrukshe vrukshe japasyami Chira Krishnajinambaru. I can see Rama and Lakshmana in every tree. Vrukshe vrukshe japasyami. Akarna purna dhanvano bhrataru Rama Lakshmanavu. And I can see them in every tree with a bana and dharasu in their hand. And who is Rama? Ramo Vigrahavan Dharma. Rama is the embodiment of Dharma. Rama is embodiment of Dharma. If Dharma has to take avatara, that is Rama. So don't go to him. Don't try to do anything wrong to him. Don't try to take Sita, bring Sita. It is a suicidal effort for you. When he killed Vali, Tara praised him, Vali's wife. When he killed Ravana in the battlefield, even Tara praised Rama there at the Vali's dead body. Vali, you could not understand this is Parabrahma, Sri Rama is Parabrahma. He is not an ordinary human. You could not understand. I told you, I got news that Vibhishana got two new people, sons of Dasharatha. But you could not realize. Mandodari said in the same thing in the battlefield when Ravana was killed. Crying at the Ravana's dead body, she started praising Rama. Ravana, you did not understand Rama. There is a beautiful song by Tyagaraja. Sarasa Samadana Bheda Danda Chatura Sati Deva Mivare. Who is Sati? Who is equal to you in Sarasa Samadana Bheda Danda? In all these upayas, there is no equal to you. Paramashambhava Gresarundanuchu Palupu Ramanundu Teliyalekapoye. Ravana always says Paramashambhava Gresara, I am the best of all Shiva Bhaktas. But he could not not realize you. He could not realize you. So Mandodari praised Rama in the battlefield. So all his enemies praised him because Dharma Murti. Because of his Dharma. So Vrushaparva, to attain him, the only way is Dharma. That is why Vibhishana left Ravana and went to Rama, because he is Dharma Murti. So the only step to reach Paramatma is Dharma. Dharmo rakshate rakshitah. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanirvavati bharata. He cares about Dharma, only Dharma. He cares only about Dharma. And what is that Dharma? It's a very delicate issue. See, if there is a constitution means Nyayam, right? And the constitution is fixed. And government is very careful about it. That we can understand. If anybody goes against the constitution, then government will punish them. We can perfectly understand it because it is a fixed concept and is a very clear concept, and he went against that. But Dharma is a very delicate issue. Sometimes it is very difficult to define Dharma. That is why we misunderstand Rama and Krishna. That is why many people, the so-called scholars, they try to criticize Rama. Rama killed Vali from behind a tree. Rama sent Sita to forest. And some people don't want to name their daughter Sita because Sita, she was never happy. Because they have never seen Ramayana. Rama killed Vali from behind the tree. You don't need to get that doubt. Vali himself asked Rama. Whatever questions we have on Ramayana, all those questions we are ignorant. All those questions were asked by those victims. Whatever we think now, we criticize Rama, Vali asked Rama and Rama clarified. Vali agreed. When Vali himself agreed to the Dharma, Rama's argument, who are you to criticize it now? What is our capacity? See, when king punishes a criminal, and criminal has a doubt, why are you punishing me? And king gives the reply, and when the criminal himself accepted the punishment, and he agrees that yes, it is my mistake, who are you to criticize it again? Vali himself accepted Rama, yes, it was my mistake. Because it is a very sensitive dharma. When Vali went to kill Dundubhi, a Rakshasa, and they were fighting in the cave, and for 1 year or even more, Vali doesn't come out, and there is a big stream of blood coming out, and finally Sugriva thought Vali might have been killed by Dundubhi. Then he put a big stone in front of the cave and then he came to the kingdom. Then all the ministers, they advised Sugriva, kingdom should not be without king. So take Simhasana, be in the Simhasana. Then he took Simhasana. Meanwhile, Vali killed that Dundubhi and he came out. When he saw the stone, he understood that Sugriva, when Vali entered in the cave, immediately Sugriva might have kept this stone to kill Vali. And then Sugriva came back. There he saw that Tara, Vali's wife, was with Sugriva. See, it's a very sensitive dharma. Vali's wife, Tara, was with Sugriva. Because everybody was thinking, so Vali died. And Vali thrown him out. And Sugriva escaped, along with Jambavan and Hanuman and others. And then Sugriva's wife Ruma was there. And then Vali started living with Ruma, Tara and Ruma. Earlier Sugriva lived with Tara and Ruma both. Both were his Ranis. And now he made Ruma also his Rani. This is against to dharma. This is what Rama explained to him. You did a mistake. In those days, in their clan, there was a dharma. If elder brother dies, to support his wife, younger brother can marry elder brother's wife if he dies. This was a dharma those days. But if younger brother dies, younger brother's wife is equal to, he is like a daughter for elder brother. So he cannot marry her. That is dharma viruddha. And Sugriva is a So this question, when Vali asked, Rama explained this. And the other thing, why did you kill me from behind the tree? That is what our $1 million question. Rama killed Vali from behind tree, so Rama is adharmika. Rama replied, you are a Vanara. And I am king of Ayodhya. Still I am king of Ayodhya. And Ayodhya's boundaries are up to the ocean. Asamudra Kshitishanam. Ayodhya's boundary is up to the ocean. Asamudram. Kalidas says in Raghuvamsha, those kings, Asamudra Kshitishanam, Anakaradhavatmanam, their Ratha, chariot can go up to the Swarga. There is no hurdle for the Ratham. Asamudra Kshitishanam, Aphalodaya Karmanam. If they start something, till they get the result, they don't stop the work. Not like us. Crash course for 1 week, and 1 week we will do the yoga, and then we will stop because I didn't find anything. But if they start one thing, until they get the result, they don't stop. Asamudra Kshitishanam, Aphalodaya Karmanam, Ajanma Shuddha, Soham Ajanma Shuddhanam. They are pure by birth. So, it's a different issue. So, our boundary is up to the ocean. And Kishkinda is part of our kingdom. And you are an animal, you are a Vanara. According to Dharma Shastra, a Kshatriya can kill an animal directly with an arrow, or even from behind a tree we can kill, depending on the nature of the animal. And I can make a trap like they do for elephants. So these are all the ways I can kill you. So for killing you, I don't need to come in front of you. I can kill you from behind a tree because you are a Vanara and I am a human. And I am a king. Above all these, Rama's final words made Vali very happy. For your aparadha, if I don't kill you because I am the king, if I don't kill you now, you will get papa, you will go to Naraka. By punishing you now, you are free from papa, now you will get moksha.